Hello everyone, Samuel here from creativetradingsystem.com. Today is Sunday at almost 9 a.m. Eastern Time, making this video about trades taken last week and some new setups. So let's get started here. This is the week started on the 9th. So 9th October, I started trading, and this is the first trade here. Pound Aussie from 20-minute chart, 70 pips. Sell order is here. SL move to break even plus. That's how I do it. This one, you can see a little error here. So this trade was open with my expert advisor bot automatically. And I set up the target later on. I closed my trade at will. So this is the first one. And then the second one, all of these trades were open with this EA bot. Some of them, when I'm available, I'm opening manually. But most of them, when you see the arrow here, that is opened by the EA. Now, this one here on the 9th, this is pound USD, 20-minute chart, 55 pip. I have small trades as well, like 435, 40. When I see that they're not moving, I close them, but I never made a chart to show. Anything less than 50 pip, I don't make the chart. All of those trades are just, the side order, right? So this is buy order here. SL move to break even. Beautiful entry here. This is gold, and you can see my gold video. I was predicting that the gold is going to bounce above 1802, 1807, and it did. From it came as low as 1810 and then bounced from there, and it is even above 1930 right now. So yeah. So S&P also, I was predicting that it's going to go up. You can watch the video about my indices charts, the weekly charts. So you will see what I'm talking about. And this one is Nasdaq. All indices, I said they're going to go up. DAX, S&P500, Nasdaq, US30. And I took all these trades when it was, they were given by my setup. Buy order here, you can see beautiful entry all the way up on the 9th. Aussie yen on the 9th, 50 plus pip here. And this one is by DAX. Beautiful entry, you can see, right? And here on the 10th, EUR-USD going to the upside. And here, pound USD as well, 60 pip. Buy order is right there. And here, New Zealand yen. This one is also open with the EA. Buy order there, 10th October, 70 pip. And this one is Aussie USD on the 10th. Buy order is right there for 60 pip. On the 10th, Nasdaq again giving me another entry going to the upside. And here US30 also on the 10th giving me the entry from the upside. And here on the 11th, you can see gold again, the small trade here to the upside. Gold is just being flying, right? Because of what's happening in the Middle East, everybody is trying to buy gold. Not everybody, but a lot of people, as a safe haven, right? So God knows what happened in the world currency. So gold is the safest thing. So yeah, gold is going to the upside big time. And pound yen on the 11th, beautiful entry. See the arrow here? This was opened by the EA, expert advisor bot, and robot, right? So this is a buy order here. SL move to break even plus for 90 pip, and then this is S&P 500 on the 11th. Again, beautiful entry. Look at that. Nice entry, right? This was the entry. This was the entry. This one, this one, this one. Keep going to the upside, big time. And here you can see here Euro yen, also beautiful entry here, taken by the EA robot and gone with the win. 80 pip here. And this one, pound USD on the 13th to the downside. USD start getting strong again. And see this little arrow? This was also opened by the bot. And for 65 pip, and this is pound yen for 60 pip. Again, this is the little arrow here. Again, the same story. EA was involved here. And yeah, these are like almost 20 trades. And out of these 20, almost like 15 were taken by the robot automatically. Basically, the trade is taken automatically, and the entry is made, and the EA is placed automatically, and EA is always 25 pip, right? And once I am positive 25 pip, the EA comes automatically and sit at the break even. And then my target is always open. I keep it open because I take the profit based on the daily range target, right? How much the daily range is left, and I take it and squeeze every pip as possible, right? But if the daily range is not too much, then I have to close it around 50, 60, 70. If the daily range is more than 100, then I go for 100 pip, 90 pip, 100 pip, right? That's how it is. So if you like what you saw and you want to be a part of it, then you can go to my website here. Sign up either here like monthly subscription, 6 month, yearly, or lifetime. Or if you want to learn the whole business, like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, S&L lever, trend line, how to do this, that, Fibonacci tool, how to use it properly, how to draw it properly, everything. 10-hour course over the Zoom. It's one-on-one coaching. You can join that and start learning. Now, I have few setups, current setups going on. For example, I'm just making new charts, and then I'm going to give it to my subscribers. For example, this is Euro-Yen, beautiful setup by the book. If the TL hold, see that? If the TL hold, for any reason, I'm expecting yen weakness again. But if that happens, we're going to go this one. And if we break this, we're going to go that way. Right, and I'm going to use my system to get the entry. This is a 40-minute chart. We don't make entry from 40-minute. We make entry from 20-minute or sometimes 7-minute. USD CAD making a beautiful short, a bullish girdle underway, but this last leg is going to come down from C to D. Already made a reversal candle and a couple of red candles. So I would be taking a 7-minute entry from my 7-minute chart and take it all the way down. And then from there on, maybe we'll the girdle pattern will be finished here. And after that, it's supposed to go to the upside like this, right? So leg by leg, step by step. Every time it makes the turn, reversal candle, and the candle turns red or blue from the bottom, red, red, red. And then all of a sudden you have a reversal candle and a blue candle. That means it's going up from B to C. And then turn from there from C to D. And then based on this chart, we go to a smaller time frame, 20-minute or 7-minute, and take the entry and take the trade from there. Okay, so this is how it works. And obviously, I do have a Telegram channel where I constantly, place like videos and updates, and GM just open a short like here, about the news, upcoming setups. I'm constantly posting it. But one thing that I want to mention, that my name of my channel, that Telegram channel, is Creative Trading System. Creative Trading System right here, right? And you can see if I add somebody, it says here that Creative Trading System added this guy here, right? So name is trading. Any other name showing my picture or my YouTube name, like My Forest Magic Wave, those channels are fake. Some people are running fake Telegram channels with my YouTube name and my picture, using my YouTube name, which is YouTube channel name is My Forest Magic Wave, right? That was my old name for my website as well. But my current website name is, I changed it to creativetradingsystem.com. And Telegram name is also Creative Trading System. So do not join if you see anything else with my picture. That's fake, okay? Be aware of that. This is the only Telegram, but this is private. Once you subscribe, you will be a part of this, right? Or one-on-one coaching or lifetime subscription, whatever. But then, you get to be a part of it. So like I said, that if you want, go on my website and use any of these either coaching or subscription and get started, right? Also, you can watch the previous week as well. This is not only this week. I have trades here posted, current week trades and last week trades, right? So you can watch them. Every single trade is taken by the setup, nothing random, nothing is anything else or any other strategy. Simple, my Magic IB system setup, and that's it. Once I have 4 conditions and the setup is ready, my alarm beeps, and then I have to decide that if I just apply the bot and it opens the trade, and or I'll open the trade manually, right? So both ways, the alarm and the automatic robot, they both work. Alarm comes with the subscription, and one-on-one coaching. And the alarm comes with that. but the E about is separate, right? So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get it as soon as possible, so you can take advantage of those setups. The one that I just showed you, and I have several others. I have almost every other pair is making some kind of setup, Elliott wave on a pattern, bouncing from a trend line. For example, if I show you here, this, where the heck it was? Okay, this one, see this USD CAD. Now, the next chart, you see this one is a US dollar index, right? So it bounced from here. That I was expecting that after a big drop, and it went straight up to 61%. Now it's stopping. This is where it stopped on Friday, right? So what will happen if this area hold? And this number is a huge number. 1753 on a weekly chart is a huge number, very hard to break, right? So you see how much time it took to break that, boom, to the downside. So many, up and down, and then finally. But if this hold and then this start dropping, you're not going to have only one trade. You will have several trades, multiple trades in 7 different pairs, because there are 7 USD pairs available, right? EUR-USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, NZ USD, USD CAD, USD franc, USD yen. So they all will be affected, and they all will be giving the entries. So even if you get like maybe 2 or 3 good trades out of that, 70, 80 pip, 100, 100 pip each, that's it. You're done for the week. So this is a very good setup. Be aware that, after 61%, usually the price, 90% of the time, the price goes back to 23% line. And just like this one, just like I just showed you, look, exactly the same thing. 61%, right? Almost, right? This area held, right? And then it went back to where? 23% line. And then making a turn. So 61, 23, 78. That's how you make a Gertley pattern. This is also like wave 1, ABC correction, wave 2, in Elliott wave term. That's how it is, right? All right, so this is it for now. Don't want to make this video too long. So bye for now, and have a wonderful, enjoy the rest of the weekend, which is Sunday today. And then market will open in the evening, and we will be getting back to work, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.